Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we have an exciting topic to discuss: how you can optimize your YouTube videos for better search engine rankings using the power of ChatGPT. Get ready to learn a game-changing method that will help you skyrocket your video's visibility in just a matter of minutes. So, without further ado, let's dive into this amazing SEO technique. Search engine optimization, or SEO, plays a crucial role in ensuring your YouTube videos reach a wider audience. By optimizing various elements, you can significantly increase the chances of your videos appearing at the top of search results. And that's where ChatGPT comes in to save the day. Step 1. Open ChatGPT. If you don't have access to ChatGPT, don't worry. You can easily create your own account using your Gmail ID. Let's get started. Step 2. Open a new tab and type Google Chrome extension into your search bar. We're going to enhance ChatGPT's capabilities with a powerful tool. Step 3. Type AIPRM in the search bar. This incredible extension will take your ChatGPT experience to the next level. Step 4. Add the Google Chrome extension named AIPRM for ChatGPT. Once you've installed it, it will seamlessly integrate with ChatGPT, providing you with an array of exciting features. Step 5. After adding the extension, it will automatically redirect you to ChatGPT. Now, let's see what this powerful tool can do. Step 6. The extension is successfully added to ChatGPT, and you'll notice a menu of prompts displayed on your screen. Step 7. In the search bar, type YouTube SEO and select the prompt specifically designed for optimizing your YouTube videos. Step 8. In the search bar, type your keyword, and watch as the AIPRM extension generates a compelling video title, a captivating video description, and voila! Your video title, YouTube video description, hashtags, and tags are ready to use. But wait, once you've added these elements to your video and uploaded it to YouTube, prepare to be amazed by the SEO score it achieves. I hope you found this tool as incredible as I did. If you did, make sure to let me know in the comments section your SEO score. And hey, while you're at it, why not subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that like button if you enjoyed this video? Your support means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care and keep creating amazing content.